Hey guys, welcome to Shojib Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to create a video game, a computer game that runs on your browser. Something like this. Alright, look, I can jump, I can go right, left. So first what you need is, you need Construct2. Okay, so you can go to this website. If you can see, I'll put in the description below to see so that you can see it easily. So it's Construct2. It's a powerful, groundbreaking HTML5 game creator designed specifically for 2D games. It allows anyone to build games, no coding required. So you don't have to know coding. You don't have to know any kind of coding. I'll show you how to do that. So go ahead and download it. After you download it, install it. I think this is only for Windows, so you have to be on a Windows computer enabled to run this software. So download it, install it. After you have installed it, open the Construct2 application, and once you do that, go to File and click on New. You want to create a new project, and then pick New Empty Project. You have other templates, then you can check it out later, but let's stick to New Empty Project for this tutorial. So open New Empty Project, and you're given this. Since this is the easiest and quickest way to create a game, we're not going to change any settings or anything. That's something you could do in the future. The first thing you want to do, so you have this canvas, right? So right click on it, and then click on Insert New Object. Once you have done that, click on Tile Map, right? Tile Map, click on it, click on Insert, and once you have done that, you'll be given this crosshair. Click on in this box, click on it, and you'll be given this. All right, this is something we have to work with. We can work with it. This is a tile map by default given by Construct2. So go ahead, close this window. Okay. So on your right, you will see the tile map, right? If you don't see this layer, tile map layer, so what you want to do is that you can, I think, open it from View, Tile Map. All right. So if you don't see that window, you can go to View and Tile Map bar, and it will show up there. Okay. So having tile map window on your right, click on this block. You can, these are tiles, so you can click different blocks, and let's click on this for these tutorials, right? Click on this rectangle tile tool. Okay, so this way you can draw a rectangle, and it will let you, so what do you want to do? You want to click, right? See this dash line, right? So this is your first scene. When you run this game, you're going to see whatever objects is inside this area. So what you want to do is make sure the block is selected, make sure this rectangle tile tool is selected, click at the lowest left corner of this area, right? Click and hold. Your left click and hold and drag. So you can now create a line so easily, right? So let's create like one line like this, right? All right, and let it go, and we have a line, right? Now we're going to do the same thing from here. We're going to go all the way to the top. Okay, we don't have to go all the way up because you can only jump up to this. So let's stop there. Do the same thing on this side. Click, hold, drag. Okay, so we have something like this. Now we can place blocks in our way as obstacles like this, something like this. This is up to you how you want to do it. You don't have to do exactly the way I'm doing it, but something like this. All right, there you go. And so what you want to do is go ahead and click on normal layout view selection, this arrow pointer. Once you click on that, click on your canvas and click on your layout, and then you want to do is make sure this layout is selected, right, by clicking on this arrow and click on this. So you will see this whole layout is selected. Now on your left you will see properties, right? If you don't see properties again, you can go to view and select the properties bar here. And so make sure this layout is selected and click on look for behaviors and click on behaviors, right? And you'll see this window open. Click on plus add new, and then you want to search for solid. All right, so what you're doing here is click on solid and add, and then close the window. So you're making this the boxes that you created, the ground and these blocks, this will become solid, so you can go through this. All right, so this will be your ground and this will block you from going through this. Same as this side and this side. So now these are solid. Now you want to do is right click on the layout and you're going to go to insert new object, and this time you're going to select sprite. So what you're doing is we are creating our player, our character. Click on sprite, click on insert, and then you'll be given this crosshair. Click on somewhere in this area, your starting point. It could be here or here. Click on here, right, and then you'll be given this window. I'm going to pick a color, maybe yellow, and then I'm going to quickly create a character like face, neck, body, legs, right? Something very quick, something like this. All right, so once you have done that, you can click on this crop transparent edges. So it's going to crop the extra padding, right? So after that, go ahead and close this window. All right, and this is pretty big, right? So make sure you have this pointer, this pointer icon selected, and then you can drag the player, right? Drag the player, and what do you want to do? Hold shift, and then you can scale it, make it small. Hold shift and then scale it to your required size. So make it small, and once you're happy, let it go, and then you can just leave it here, because since we have these solid blocks, it will land on this ground. So okay, once you're happy with that, what you want to do is select your player, right, and you're going to add a behavior to your player. So you want to click on behaviors on your left properties window. Click on this, click on you will have this window open. Click on plus, then you want to go to scroll down to movements, right, and you want to find platform. All right, click on platform, add it. You have platform added, close it, and that's it. You're done. You have officially created a fully functional game for your browser. So next, what you want to do is that you want to go to home, right? Since if you're in view or events, click on home. Home has a run layout button, all right? So it's right here in home. If I click on this, it's going to open a new browser and it's going to run your game. See this? Now this is your game. Now how you want to control this? You want to control this by your arrows, left, up, down, right arrows in your keyboard. Okay, not the letters but the arrows in your keyboard. Okay, so it's right here. Look, you could jump up is to jump, arrow right is to go right, arrow left is to go left. So look, yeah, you can go through this. So this becomes our obstacle because these are solid blocks now. Now we have to jump to avoid that obstacle. Same thing here. Look at this. See this? Nice. So you just have created your first game, if not your first, but the easiest and quickest way of creating a video game. It's pretty nice, right? So let me know what you think about this video. If you liked it, if you found it useful, please leave a comment and press the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.